What if I told you that you could create and publish Amazon books without writing a single word, without designing covers, and without spending weeks learning KDP, and still receive royalties? Sounds counterfeit, right? That's precisely what Book Ninja claims to do. And in this video, we'll demonstrate what it actually is, how it works, and whether it's a legitimate option for you. Let's be honest about it. When it comes to Amazon KDP, most people fall short because they don't understand the kinds of books that actually sell. Writing can take an excessive amount of time. Cover design and formatting can be confusing, and hiring a freelance writer costs more than the book earns. That's why many beginners give up way before they even publish one book. That's precisely what Book Ninja was created to address. It's an AI-powered Amazon KDP software that assists you identify profitable book ideas, create the entire book interior, design a pre-ready-to-insert cover, and format everything precisely as Amazon wants. All from one dashboard. You are not purchasing a course. You are not hiring anyone. Instead, you are utilizing a tool that does the substantial lifting for you. Let's break down the crucial features and why they are essential. 1. Profitable niche finder. Book Ninja engages in real Amazon data analysis to show you what is already being bought. You don't need to be guessing. You are creating books that people are already purchasing. 2. AI book creator. It generates coloring books, puzzle books, activity books, low-content nonfiction books. 3. One-click KDP formatting. Everything is tailored precisely to Amazon's requirements. No rejections, no fussy formatting issues. Let me be crystal clear about this. Book Ninja will not make you a rich overnight sensation. It will not upload books for you either. Instead, you still need to properly list your book on Amazon. But what it does offer you: massive time savings, lower startup costs, and a realistic path to consistently creating and publishing several books. If you're a beginner, this removes 90% of the confusion. This is the perfect solution if you're just starting your Amazon KDP journey. You want a simple, beginner-friendly way to publish your own books faster than ever before. You're not looking for another full-time job. You're not willing to spend countless hours writing to your heart's content. If this sounds like you, then keep watching this video. I'll leave you with a final takeaway on what Book Ninja can do for you. Click the link below right now. Enjoy this unbeatable offer, and don't miss out on this rare opportunity.